After several days of trading in the red, Shiba Inu's prices finally flashed green. Jumping by 4% on a 24-hour scale, SHIB resurgence coincides with a rise of an important metrics related to the meme coins ecosystem. As observed on Into the Block, aggregated daily volume where each on-chain transaction exceeds $100,000 neared the $100 million mark. This represents a 268% increase compared to the data witnessed on April 29. Such activity positively influenced the market sentiment, with some investors hopping up the bandwagon after the Wells example. In addition, substantial transactions can affect the liquidity of Shiba. Large buy orders may reduce the available supply of tokens and lift the price if demand rises or remains steady. On the other hand, a massive sell-off can have the opposite effect. The developments surrounding Shiba Inu's Layer 2 scaling solution, Shibarium, may also fuel a SHIB rally in the near future. Recall that the network underwent a major upgrade last week, with the team introducing a new user interface upgrade. This user interface upgrade focuses on enhanced compatibility with popular self-custody wallets like MetaMask, Coinbase Wallet, and Trust Wallet. A few days ago, the developers announced that Shibarium will be the subject of another update on May 2 through a hard fork. The approaching advancements should improve user experience, enable faster block processing time, and empower the Shiba Inu community. Remember, as at yesterday, Well Alert data highlighted the movement of 3 trillion Shiba token, which was worth $79.9 million from one unknown wallet to another. Okay, this is the updates for today being 30th of April 2024. And remember, do not forget to do your financial investigation before investing. It is very important, and this is not a financial advice, so I also urge you to do your personal research before investing. And one last thing, do well to subscribe to my channel. It is very important you subscribe to my channel. Like, leave a comment, and turn on the notification button for similar videos like this on crypto news, crypto updates, business stories, and business news. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.